Why do 90% of car enthusiasts drool over these models? Let's find out. First up, the beastly Ferrari SF90 Stradale. 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. Hybrid powertrain? Yes please. Next, the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Pure adrenaline on wheels. 640 horsepower and sleek aerodynamics. A classic redefined. Third, the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. V10 engine and razor-sharp handling. A symphony of speed and style, don't blink. McLaren Artura. Lightweight, hybrid, and insanely fast. 671 horsepower, baby. And finally, the Chevrolet Corvette C8Z06. American muscle meets European finesse. 670 horsepower and a roar to match. So there you have it. 2023's hottest sports cars, primed to take your breath away. Which one's your dream ride? Comment below. Subscribe for more car thrills.